Nice Run 1200H Master and Slave Slide Gates Opener Connection. Today I will show you the connection of two gate synchronization. Let's start focus on every moment. Gate 1 slide machine. Gate 2 slide machine. Now we choose one gate as master and one gate as slave. This is important for synchronization. Master control board. Slave control board. Let's start from the first block of flashlight. Master machine flashlight. Slave machine flashlight. This is simple connection of master and slave door connection. If you want to connect only one flashlight, then connect to master machine. Photocell connection. This is single pair of photocell connections. Working for both machines, see the connection carefully. This is a parallel connection. Now connect two control board blue bus connector with each other. The push button or other switch also connect direct on the master control board. When you press the button, the two gates will open same speed. The next video is I will make of programming. Then you will easily understand.